Hello, my dear student. Welcome back to online class. Today, I'm going to discuss about the third unit of modern bank management, that is innovative and digital banking. So, today's class I discuss about the Bharat interface for the money. So, it means BHIM. So, Bharat interface for the money. Bharat Interface for the Money is an application developed by the National Payment Corporation of India (NPCI). It was launched on 30th December 2016 to bring in a financial inclusion in the country and a digital empowered society. Bharat Interface for Money enable the user to make instant transaction using the UPI. The user can be make instant bank to bank payment and also pay and collected money using just mobile number or a virtual payment address of UPI ID. Its main aim of a facilitate easier cashless payment post demonetization and create a push toward a digital economy. So Beam app enable to range for the cashless transaction to the customer through the bank account, mobile number, QR code, or by creating a unique digital identity also called virtual payment address. So minimum transaction in day in a Beam app 40,000 and maximum amount for the transaction is rupees 40,000 and minimum number of UPI transaction is 10. So user can be sent rupees 20,000 per transaction and maximum rupees 40,000 per day. And with the Beam app, customer can be send money to the beneficiary at no cost and scan and pay for the purchases using the QR code and payment for the online shopping by the clicking pay by the UPI and checking account balance and transaction history at any time. These are all the Beam app customer can be available and business establishment can be receiving payment directly and seamless in the into their bank account at no cost and downloading the QR code and send it through the digital medium or a display into enable payment by the customer. So next, unique features. The important feature of Beam app, it is available for Android and iOS iPhones operating system user and payment can be made through statistics and dynamic QR code, VPA, mobile number and mobile accounting number and IFSC code. And next, the user can be saved beneficiary detail for the future reference and creating the delete payment reminder for the making payment by setting validity with the frequency and next opportunity to respect balance and access transaction history any time and option to create or reset and change the UPI pin and option to report issue by calling bank on the toll free number. So these are all the unique features of Bharat interface for the money. So next following facilities or services are available to the user of Beam app Bharat interface for the money. First one is send money. The user can be send money by entering VPA account number and the QR code scan. And the second service is receive money. The user can initiate respect for the money by the entering VPA. Additionally, through the Beam app, the user can be also transfer money using the mobile number. And next, scan and pay. User can be pay money scanning the QR code through the scan and pay or generated QR code to the received money. Next, checking option. So the user can be check transaction history at any time and also pending UPI collection. And fifth, reporting. The user can be raise complaint for the declining transaction by the checking on report issued in the transaction. And sixth one is profile. The user can view the statistic QR code and payment address linked to his account. He can also share his QR code through various messenger applications. And next, switch bank account. The customer can be switched between the multiple bank account linked with the Beam app. He can be also view the bank balance at any time, and user can be also change UPI pin at any time. And language option. Beam app is available at 13 languages and blocks spam user. The user can be block spam users who are spending collection respected for the source. So next, privacy. All the users to dis, uh, disable and enable mobile number and UPI pin in the profile if a secondary UPI ID is created. And payment reminder. The user can be scheduled payment as per his convenience. And split bill. Split bill with the multiple UPS user at a click of a button. So these are all the services are available in the Beam app. Next we can see the benefits of Beam app. So the Beam app offers survival benefits to the user. So let us discuss one by one. User can send and receive money and make merchants payment. And the user can be go cashless and cardless. The user can be check account balance free of a cost at any time. And a single digital payment application for all the bank account. So Beam is available 24 into 7 or 365 days for the real time money transfer. So here we can change or PIN and added security for the single click two factor authentication, and money can be transferred through the account number and IFC code or through the Aadhaar or UPI address, and it is useful to book flight tickets and train ticket and mobile recharge and also pay utility bills and for e-commerce. And no traditional bank restrictions such as working hours or a bank holidays. So these are all the benefits of the Bheem app. So next we can see the topic Aadhaar enable payment system. Aadhaar enable payment system. Aadhaar enable payment system is secured payment system providing by the NPCI to bank and the financial institutions using the Aadhaar. Aadhaar is a unique identification number used issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI. It means Unique Identification Authority of India. It allows other link bank account holders to avail basic banking services. These services can be availed at the Customer Access Point CAP, Customer Access Point, managed by the business correspondent using the point of scale device. So, a business correspondent is an agent appointment by a bank to widen banking services in area where they do not have a branch. So, the input required for the customer do a transaction under these are identifying the bank to which the customer is associated and Aadhaar number and also fingerprint captured during the enrollment. So the scope of activities undertaken by the BC, um, BC means business correspondent. So it including collection of small values, deposit, balance inquiry, cash withdrawals, other to other fund transfer, payment transaction, means person to person and customer to business, and small value interbank remittance. So this services empowered a bank customer to use Aadhaar as his identity to the access his Aadhaar enable bank account and also perform basic interbank or interbank transaction. So this is about the Aadhaar enable payment system. Next we can see the objectives of AEPS. So the important objectives are like that to empower a bank customer to use Aadhaar as his identity to access identity to access his Aadhaar enable bank account and perform basic banking transaction through a banking correspondent and to realize the goal of government of India and the RBI in the furthering financial inclusion and in electrification of the retail payment and to enable to bank to routine the Aadhaar initiated interbank transaction through a central switching and clearing agency and to case payment of government entire MANGA social security pension of any central or state government bodies using the Aadhaar and authorities thereof as supporting by the UIDAI and to facilitate safe, secured and smooth functioning of a bank. Next we can see the benefits. The benefit for the business correspondent and the customer, the benefits of the business correspondents are like that. So it is a gainful employment and the business correspondent registered for the AEPS can converted his shop into mini ATM and it is a long term business association. So next we can see the benefit of customers like that it enable cardless cash withdrawal and it facilitated a secured and easy way for the cash withdrawals and balance inquiry and rural community can be utilized faster and reliable banking services and the customer can be access banking services with the help of Aadhaar number and biometric without having to remember the account number and access a micro ATMs in a village saving bank trips, thus reducing opportunity and access cost will be help in a more usage for the formal banking system for the managing saving and the borrowings. So I concluding this class. Thank you for watching.